Hi girls, I thought it'd be just quicker to show you a quick video. So I've just sent you all a email with the link above. Please let me know if you can't get into it because I signed us up through Mara's College Bendigo. So I've put in a username and password, but I'm fairly confident this link just allows you to access it directly and also for you to be able to use it for people to sponsor you. So if you see on here, you can see that we've got our Mara's College Bendigo, that I've thrown in some cash to start us off. And what you guys need to do is if you move down the page here, you'll see each of your names pop up. Now we can still add people, that's no problem, if there's others who you think might like to join in. So if I just use Sarah's for a moment, if I jump into Sarah here, you can see that Sarah's page is here. Sarah can give this link up here to anyone. She can also share it on her Facebook, email as well. You can sponsor yourself if you want to, or you can also get others to sponsor you. So I think if you hit sponsor yourself, you can here select one or do other as well, and then you can add to that level. If I go back to our view page, I'm still just trying to work it out a little bit more, but I'll keep working on it. Down the bottom here also you've got a section where you guys can start some posts and some images and talk about why you're doing this challenge, which would be pretty awesome as well. You just need by this Sunday, each of you needs to have some money in each of these accounts here in order for them to send the ration pack. So the pack will come to school and then we'll work out how to get it to all of you. But yeah, just if by the end of the weekend, if you can have someone sponsor you in here, that would be awesome. You can collect cash from people as well, but you can't actually send cash to the ration challenge. It needs to end up going into a bank account, and that's no problem because we can do that through school as well. All right, have a little bit of a play and let me know if it's not working as well, but it's very exciting. All right, I'll see you guys later.